Yo, what's up everybody, it's your man, MKBHD here with a phone that's trying to rule the Android world. Samsung's back with the Galaxy S25 Ultra, and they're not playing around. Is it the best phone ever? Let's find out. This is gonna be fun. First things first, this phone is tough. Samsung used titanium for the frame, the same stuff they use in spaceships. It feels super premium in the hand, and you know it can take a beating. The screen is still that gorgeous curved AMOLED we all love, but even brighter and smoother than before. Watching videos on this thing is insane, and don't even get me started on the colors. Vibrant doesn't even begin to describe it. Okay, let's talk cameras. The S25 Ultra has a crazy 200 megapixel main sensor. 200, that's like professional camera territory. And the zoom? Forget about it. They've got 100 times space zoom, so you can basically take pictures of the moon like it's right there, but the real magic is in the AI. Section 4 speedy, but how's the stamina? Under the hood, we've got the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. This thing is a beast. Gaming, multitasking, whatever you throw at it, the S25 Ultra doesn't even break a sweat. But with all that power, battery life is always a concern, right? Well, Samsung stepped up their game here too. I was easily able to get through a full day of heavy use, no problem. And when it does come time to charge, it's super fast. Section 5. This phone is too smart. This phone is packed with AI features. We're talking about real-time translation, intelligent photo editing, and even a personal assistant that can anticipate your needs. It's kind of freaky how smart this thing is. So the big question, is it worth the price? The S25 Ultra will cost you a pretty penny, starting at, price will be inserted later. Is it the ultimate Android phone? It's definitely up there. It's got power, features, and a design that's out of this world. If you're looking for the best of the best, the S25 Ultra is it.